Let us learn about the prerequisites of areas related to circles. The following are the concepts discussed as the prerequisites of areas related to circles. Circle, chord, diameter, arc, segment, sector. Circle, the collection of all the points in a plane, which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane, is called a circle. The point from which all the points on a circle are equidistant is called the center of the circle, and the distance from center to any point on the circumference of circle is called the radius of the circle. Here, O is the center, and the length OP is the radius of the circle. Chord. If we take 2 points P and Q on a circle, then the line segment PQ is called a chord of the circle. Here line segment PQ is called a chord of the circle. Diameter. The chord, which passes through the center of the circle, is called a diameter of the circle. Here, AOB is a diameter of the circle. A diameter is the longest chord of the circle. All the diameters have the same length, which is equal to 2 times the radius. So, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Arc. A piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Now, look at the pieces of the circle between 2 points P and Q. We can find that there are 2 pieces, one longer and the other smaller. The longer one is called the major arc PRQ, where R is some point on the arc between P and Q, and the shorter one is called the minor arc PQ. When P and Q are ends of a diameter, then both arcs are equal, and each one is called a semicircle. Segment. The circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called segment. Here, the chord PQ divides the circle into 2 segments. From the figure, we can find that there are 2 types of segments, which are the major segment and the minor segment. Sector. The region between an arc and the 2 radii, joining the center to the endpoints of the arc, is called a sector. Like segments, we can find that the minor arc corresponds to the minor sector, and the major arc corresponds to the major sector. When 2 arcs are equal, that is, when each one is a semicircle, then both segments and both sectors become the same, and each one is known as a semicircular region.